Hi friends, we are on Module 4, Lesson 23, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be subtracting 2-digit numbers from 3-digit numbers. And the strategy that we're going to use is number bonds. You're going to need your dry erase marker, your sock, and your board. All right, the first thing I want you to do is write 107 minus 90. Now, can we break apart 107 by making some hundreds and making 100 and some ones? We can. Now, I want you to put the number bond right over on the hundreds and 7, and we're going to break it up like this. I'm going to write 100 here, and if I take 100 out of 107, how many do I have left? That's right, I have 7. So that's what the number bond would look like. Now we're going to do some subtraction, and I'm going to circle 100 minus 90. Now, the reason I put the 100 on this side is because it's easier to circle and it's easier to see it that way. You're going to see in your book that sometimes they put the 100 on this side and sometimes they put it on this side. Try to focus on always putting the 100 here, and it'll be easier when it's time to circle and subtract. All right, so we have 100 minus 90. So let's write that down. We have a new problem now. And what is 100 minus 90? That one's pretty easy. You guys could probably do that in your head. Yeah, it's 10. So we have equals 10. And now, whenever we have a subtraction problem, we always have to add in what's left over. And 7 is left over. So we would take what we got as our answer for the subtraction problem, which is 10. And then we would add the 7. And what is 10 plus 7? 17. So 107 minus 90 equals, you got it, 17. All right, we're going to do one more together, and then the next ones you're going to be solving and then checking. So let's erase and write 133 minus 60. Now remember, I want to take out 100. So if I look at this number, I have 133. So I know that I'm going to put the 100 on this side, right here. And how many do I have left over? Right, 33. Okay. So now I'm going to circle 100 minus 60, and I'm going to write that down. 100 minus 60 is what? 40. Good. So now I have my first part of the problem. And remember, whenever we're doing a subtraction problem, we have to add in what's left over. And 33 is what's left over. So I'm going to have 40 plus 33 equals 73. So my answer is 73. Oops. Okay. So let's erase, and you're going to try this next one. You're going to pause the video, solve it, and then I want you to come check it. So it's 128 minus 70. All right, pause the video right now, solve the problem, and then come back and we will see if you got it correct. So the first thing you were supposed to do was you were supposed to break up that 128 into 100 and some ones. So if I take 100 out, I'm going to have 28 left. Okay, so now I'm going to circle 170. And I'm going to subtract that. 100 minus 70. and that equals 30. And then I have to add back those ones in. So now I have 30 plus 28. That was what was left over from my number bun. And my answer is 58. Did you get 58 too? Good. All right, so we're going to try another one now. So erase. Let's write 138 minus 70. Pause the video, solve it, and come back. All right, the first thing you were supposed to do is you were supposed to break up 138 into 100 and 38. All right, and then we can circle it. So now we have 100 minus 70. And that equals 30. And then we have 30 because we have to add in the remaining numbers. So we have 30 plus 38. And we get 68. All right. Oops. My computer does not want to work today. All right, so you're going to erase this and we're going to try another one. 139 minus 60. Pause the video, solve it, and then come back. Okay, you should have broken up 139 into 139. Okay, and then what you're going to do is circle the 160. Make your subtraction problem. And 100 minus 60 equals 40. And then you have to add in the remainder. So it's 40 plus 39. And 40 plus 39 is 79. All right, did you get it? Good. And this is all we're going to be doing today. Simple, 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 and I think it's fun. All right, see you in group.